All right, time to check in with Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bagwell. It is a severe weather alert day, or should I say night, because you say that's when it could really start picking up.
The nighttime hours is really where we're expecting these.
We have some coffee brewing right now.
Good, because I'm gonna need
We'll be here.
That's for sure. Yeah, we're gonna be here watching these storms very carefully. Significant wind is going to be our primary concern, but a tornado or two cannot be ruled out. And we've had so many nighttime tornadoes. It's just important, even if we don't see a tornado with this damaging wind threat, to be weather aware. One way you can do that is with the East Texas Storm Team app. Now I'm going to leave this graphic up here for a moment. You've probably seen these QR codes around before, so if you don't have the app right now, just take a moment, download it by taking your camera out, make sure it's in the camera setting, and just scanning that QR code there. When you get it, it will take you to your Play Store, and you're going to get the option to download the East Texas Storm Team app. The benefits of it: live radar right there, a look at Futurecast, the same one I'm about to show you. You'll be able to see it there. And most importantly, especially going with tonight's risk, lightning and weather alerts. Those are going to be very key. You want to make sure that you have ways to get weather information. I'll go a step further than this as well. A NOAA weather radio will come in handy too when we're dealing with storms like this. Big picture look for us in the overall setup. We've got a cold front that is on the way, but now richer and more humid air is back in place. We talked about how that front will lift northward into this morning, and that has panned out. We've got the energy, and now we've got the lift in place for the thunderstorms. And right now, those storms are ongoing to the west of Interstate 35. Several storm complexes. Here's the first one. This will be the one that we're primarily concerned with that will work its way to the east. Several severe storm warnings that are ongoing with that particular storm at this time, and that will come toward East Texas, most likely after the 8 to the 9 o'clock window for us, certainly as we get closer to 10 o'clock. Right now, though, if you have plans out this evening, you should be okay. We even have some sunshine. Looking live from Tyler right now, our Skyview camera looking to the west, able to see some of that sun, and the temperature responding. 76 degrees, a breezy southerly wind, and the dew points anywhere from the low 60s to near 70. Some low 60s, though, because of the showers that we had come through earlier this afternoon. Other temperatures now warmer to the west, 86 in Waco, where they're dealing with more sun. You've got clouds to the east from Mount Pleasant down to Lufkin. You had some rain showers, too, that came through at the East Texas Regional Airport. We had about a 55-mile-an-hour wind gust that picked up a bit earlier this afternoon. Outside of heavy rain, which I'll talk about more as well, damaging wind gusts will remain the biggest concern. Now, a tornado or two is not out of the question. That's why I have it in the low to medium category. There's going to be just enough spin in the atmosphere. A hail concern cannot be ruled out either, but some of the hail reports that we've seen out in portions of West Texas, we're talking about softball size and diameter. I just don't anticipate that coming in our direction. Maybe quarter size in diameter, certainly not out of the question for us. Now, this is our Futurecast model, the same one you'll find on the Storm Team app that I mentioned just a moment ago. Clearly, we don't have this section ongoing at this moment because things here are relatively quiet. We're really looking ahead to what's going to take place later this evening between 9 and 10 o'clock. Hopkins, Franklin County, coming back through Rains, Van Zandt, and Henderson. You've got the first wave of this very intense round of thunderstorms. It's going to have a wall of wind and rainfall with it. Damaging wind gusts will be that top concern. There's 11 o'clock. Perhaps from near northwest Cass County, coming down through Gilmer, Tyler, northern sides of Anderson County, and that line will continue to push east. We get to 1 o'clock. It passes through Gregg, Rusk counties, coming down into Cherokee County also, and it's still holding strength. Yes, we still have a wind threat too for you down in deep East Texas with the heavy rain and some gusty thunderstorms. After daybreak, it's just spotty showers that are with us, and that should gradually taper off as we get into the afternoon. We may even see a few peaks of sun late tomorrow, again to our west, because that's where the cold front will pass through first. How much rain are we talking about? We're probably looking at another 1 to 2 inches, maybe some isolated amounts that get close to 3 inches of rainfall. So multiple ways to get weather information. We'll be right here in the Storm Center watching it carefully every storm as we get through the nighttime hours. Tomorrow, most of the rain is heaviest in the morning. After that, sunshine is back, and we're going to warm up. It'll be humid this weekend, but dry if you have plans for the holiday. Similar forecast in deep East Texas, that storm threat overnight, and it does continue tomorrow morning, but it does taper off into the afternoon.
All right, Marcus, thank you.